How to create a new Gmail account without phone number. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you the step-by-step guide of how we can create a new Gmail account without any phone number. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to create a new Gmail account, the very first thing that you need to do, you can open up the Google application from a device. Every device has this Google application by default, so I'm going to open this up. But if you want to create the Google account from any browser, you just need to go to the browser and go to the google.com and get the same interface like this. And now from this page, you just need to tap on this profile icon at the top right, and he'll get to see I already logged in with an account. So if you don't have an account, you'll get to see the add account option. You can tap on this one. The reason why I already have an account, I'm going to explain this option, and I'm going to tap on add another account. Now once you do that, go ahead and tap on Google right from here, and then put your phone passcode. And from the Google sign in page, you'll get to the create account. You just need to tap on this one and select a category. I'm going to select for my personal use. Now simply go ahead and enter your first name and last name. And then simply go and tap on next. Now go ahead and select your date of birth. Then simply go and tap on the next button once again. Now from this page, you can actually select the recommended username, and also you can create your own username as well. Go ahead and select this option and you can create your own username. Now once you're done, simply go and tap on this next button once again, and now go ahead and create a password for your Google account. Then simply go and tap on this next button once more time, and you'll get to see your Gmail account preview. And then simply go and tap on next again, and then scroll down to the bottom and agree with the terms and condition. And the Gmail account has been created without phone number. If I get back from here, now if I go to the profile again, and if I expand this one, he'll get to see this is our new account. And this is how we actually can create a Gmail account without phone number. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.